Hey guys, wanted to finally give an update on the Rust Bucket Challenge from Mars Garage. That I was in here for a while and I just haven't got with it and got anything done. But if you take a ready to run RC car body and you want to patina it, this is the way that I do it. You know, they're painted on the inside. So I went ahead and I took 320 and 400 grit sandpaper and just sanded until I got it clean. You know, clear, I mean. Now, what I'm going to do is go back over it with a little bit of gray here and there for a primer look, and then do the rust color everywhere else. So yeah, it should look pretty sharp when I get done with it. But yeah, that's what where I'm at so far. You know, I want to leave some of the green on it. I haven't sanded through the sticker that's on the door, just so it kind of looks like it's weathered. Did a little more on that side there, but just kind of make it look a little more weathered out. But leaving all the emblems alone. But yeah, like I said, we're at least on that point we're done with the sanding part. Now I just got to clear that, or do the primer where I want to do the primer, and we'll rust her out from there. So I'll give you guys an update. I know a lot of people do their bodies, they patina them on the outside, but as you can see from all the scratches on the outside of this body, it gets driven, and it gets driven hard. So I don't want to paint on the outside of it. I mean, God, look at all the scratches, you know, just right there. I don't want to take the time to try to patina it and then have it, you know, slide down a rock or, you know, down a hill or whatever, and then have all that paint get ruined. So yeah, that's where I'm at. So I will give you guys updates here shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And stay tuned for more fun stuff. Take care. Bye.